Good morning, guys. Today I welcome you all for this full stack web development labs session. Today we are going to study about DHTML. So moving forward with the DHTML, I would like to tell you some definitions and basic things about DHTML, so you could understand and you would know what is DHTML all about. Then, what is DHTML? DHTML is the combination of several built-in browser features that enables a web page to be more dynamic. DHTML is not a scripting language like JavaScript or VBScript, but a browser feature or enhancement that makes the browser dynamic. It uses a host of different technologies: JavaScript, VBScript, the document object model, that is DOM, layers, cascading style sheet, CSS, to create HTML that can change even after a page has been loaded into a browser. That is why DHTML is also known as dynamic hypertext markup language. So let us continue and know what it is made up of. It is considered to be made up of HTML, cascading style sheets, scripting language. All three of these components are linked via document object model. DOM is interface that allows scripting languages to access the content, style, and structure of the web documents and change them dynamically. Now tools of DHTML. HTML and XML partitions and organizes the content. CSS defines the presentation of the content. Scripting, that is JavaScript, JScript, or VBScript, adds interactivity to the page. And DOM, that is document object model, defines what and how elements are exposed for the script access. So let us just study what is the proof of using DHTML. Why do we use it? I've already told you the definition and some basic tools of DHTML. Now you just have some proof why you are studying DHTML and what was the need of what was the need of developing DHTML. DHTML requires four independent components to work. That is HTML, hypertext markup language, cascading style sheets, scripting, and the document object model. The section provides a brief description of each component. HTML. HTML defines the structure of a web page using such basic elements as headings, forms, tables, paragraphs, and links. On December 18, 1997, HTML 4.0 attained, or you can say recommended, status at the W3C, that is World Wide Web Consortium. Changes the enhancement introduced in the HTML 4.0 made DHTML possible. So moving forward with the DHTML, let us first study the strings that we will create in DHTML using JavaScript. So we have started from HTML, then head, then we have used the script tag, and the language inside it we are using JavaScript. So I have written this. I would like to write this in our manner. What will make it look more decent, like a program. It is kind of a programmer thing that makes your work neat and clean. So this is how we have to write, and inside this script we are using where x equals to and my name within the double inverted commas. Now I need the length of this the length of this word, so I have used where length equals to x dot length, and then document dot write. Inside document dot write, I will write the length of the string is, then concatenate the length of that string, and again I will use document dot write. Inside it I will use the break tag to get into the next line, so my work won't be disturbed by another line coming after it. Then I would say where ch equals to x dot caret, and you know it is a uh, it starts the character I want will be starting from 0 because the index value of every string will be starting from 0. You can't take it from 1, so it is a 0 where it would be starting. Now what I want is I want the character at the position 3. Then I will use document.write again to get this character displayed. The character at the third position is, and then concatenate the ch. Again, I will use the break tag inside document.write. And this is simple, guys. It is simple programming. You don't need additional tools or additional things to program the DHTML. Just a simple JavaScript coding. Now I want the index, so that is why I'm using pose equals to x dot index of a. I want the letter, I want the alphabet a, the index value of a. So I am saying in the document.write the index of a is double inverted commas close plus pause, that is concatenation of that position. And then I am closing the script tag, and then I will close the head tag, and then the HTML tag. Now what you have to do is simple. Just go to the file and save this work. Save as, and I am writing within the double inverted commas testing.html, and done. Here you can see your browser file is there. So I will open it. There you go. You can see the length of a string is 11. As you can see in the notepad file, that YUVRAJ is having 11 alphabets in it. That is why it is showing 11. And when I have asked the character which is at the third position, so starting from Y, it would be 0, then 1 2 3, and there you go, you have your R at the third position, and A is at the fourth position. So you have your result of this string. This is how we deal with the strings in the DHTML. Now we will go for the numbers. So I will take a variable